2, 3, let's go!
She's a Mona Lisa. Must be something about a feature.
Get this font, just go onto any browser and search up joining a LaunchPal or LaunchPal and go to the first link, scroll and then go to Unload a Robot and then press the zip download and just wait for it to download. It's going to be a pop-up saying download, click that once it comes up, or you can either wait for a little upload button in the right corner, press that and then press magnifying glass button, or you can just go straight to your files on an Apple iPhone and it's going to come up as a file. After it's there, then just press select and then select a file and then press the upload button and go to copy to Fonto. Then it's going to bring up this and just press install.